Xerox PrimeLink B9100 series printer, replacing the waste toner container. This UI message notifies the user to replace the waste toner cartridge. Use the following procedure to access and replace the cartridge. Open the front door. Then open the waste toner cartridge access door. Grasp the handle and pull the cartridge halfway out of the machine. Hold the cartridge at the top to keep it level while removing. Hold the replacement cartridge at the top while positioning it for installation. Using the handle, carefully slide the new cartridge into the machine. Ensure the cartridge is fully seated, then close the access door. User Guide, System Administrator Guide, and other documentation are available at https://www.support.xerox.com.